Hi, I'm Kel from Promenaid, and we're going to be looking at the Promenaid anti-slip vinyl insert, which is also antibacterial. So Promenaid handrails are aluminum extrusion, which is 1.6-inch diameter, perfectly round, ideal for what we call a power grip. And on the bottom side of this extrusion, there's a channel that runs the full length where the brackets can be clipped in at any place. That allows the brackets to line up with studs and to easily insert and lock in place without any special fasteners. So after the handrail is installed on the wall with all the brackets in place, that's when you install the vinyl anti-slip extrusion to fill up this channel on the bottom side of the handrail. And to install the extrusion, all you have to do is measure the length that is required between the end caps and the various brackets and cut the extrusion with a sharp knife. When you have the right length, pinch it slightly so that it fits in place. There are little catches on each side of the vinyl extrusion that fit in a smaller channel within the channel. Rock the extrusion from side to side so that each side catches one after the other, and work your way down until the entire channel is filled up. The profile of the handrail is perfectly round, and there's a nice rubbery grip to greet your hand. If you're doing a lot of extrusion, especially outdoors in the cold, you might want to heat up the vinyl with a hairdryer to make it a little bit more pliable. Thanks for tuning in.